Home Designer is not only a great tool for home design, remodeling, interiors, kitchens and baths, but also for your outdoor living design projects. The program can also be used for landscaping, site planning, and deck design. To quickly review these tools, let's begin with the site plan and landscaping. When the program begins, the Startup Options dialog opens. Here you can access helpful tools such as tutorials on common projects and design resources. Templates are available for landscaping, patios, pools, and decks. Templates are a quick and easy way to get started if you see a template similar to your own project. Let's start by choosing the default landscaping template. For deck or landscaping projects, you may want to have your home in the design as a point of reference. You can easily draw your home in the software, or you can import a photo of your home. In this example, we'll quickly draw the footprint of our home. This is typically the best method to follow. We'll select the Wall tool and drag to draw the exterior walls. When you have finished outlining the shape of the walls, choose the Dimension tool and then click on Automatic Dimensions. To move the walls to your desired dimensions, click on a wall and simply drag it to where you want it. Or you can select a wall and manually enter the dimension to precisely locate it. To take a 3D view of the design, choose the Camera tool and select the Overview camera. You can then rotate the angle to take a closer view. Notice that the program automatically generated the roof. You can easily make changes to the roof. For more information on this, please refer to the other overview or training videos. In this 3D view, we can continue to design by placing doors, windows, and other objects. To place a window, simply select the Window tool and click to place. If you'd like to resize the window, just click and stretch to the desired size. To save time, we'll fast forward to the finished home with all of the doors and windows placed. Now that we have the house, we can begin our landscaping project. In this view, notice that the terrain perimeter is indicated by the green line. A terrain perimeter defines the shape of the lot and can be easily edited. Just click on the edge to change the shape and size. Once you have the shape of the terrain perimeter, you can add elevation data to create sloped lots or varying terrain. Select the Elevation Line tool from the menu and draw a line where you need it. To create a simple sloped lot, we'll add an elevation line at the back of the terrain perimeter and set it to a negative value. The program will automatically generate the terrain when you click on the Build Terrain drop-down. It took the information provided by the elevation lines and generated contour lines in the plan view. If you have a GPS or no particular elevations for your lot, you can enter that data or import it from a GPS to model your lot in detail. Other terrain features, like hills, valleys, roads, sidewalks, and driveways, can help you complete a realistic site plan. Once you have the terrain shape and site plan completed, you can continue to add landscaping features. To make it easy, you can choose pre-arranged landscaping beds in the library that can be placed into the design. You can also create your own plant bed and add individual plants by using the Plant Chooser. The Plant Chooser includes plant information on over 3,600 plants and is a great tool to help you find and learn about the right plants for your landscaping project. In the Plant Chooser, if you search without entering any search criteria, every plant in the library will be listed in the search results. However, there are several attributes you can use to search for your ideal plant and narrow your results. For now, we'll search for a plant by name by entering iris. The search results will display on the right side. They can be displayed by either common or scientific name. After we place some of these flowers, we can open the Plant Information tab and learn details about the plant, including size, sun requirements, and hardiness zone. The hardiness zone maps allow you to easily locate the area in which you live and determine if this type of plant is appropriate for your climate region. Most of the plants have maturity information. You can use this information to visualize the growth of your plants. If you begin with young trees and shrubs, you can define the age of the plants and then use the Grow Plants tool to adjust the maturity. This tool is helpful to see how the plants will look as they mature. You can generate an individual plant schedule for your landscaping project to help you with your outdoor living projects. The program's integrated landscaping and deck tools can help you put the finishing touches on your project so you can visualize your new design. If you want to personalize the project further, take a picture of the lot, import the photo, and use it as the background. When you take 3D views, they look even more realistic. Now that our site plan and landscaping are completed, we'll add the final element, a deck. We'll use the deck railing tool to draw the shape of the deck. Once an area is enclosed, you'll notice that a label is created automatically and a 3D view is also generated. If you open the deck room specification, there are several options that can be set for the deck or patio, including the roof style, deck planking materials, direction, border, structural details, and much more. We'll change the deck planking information to include a border and change the planking direction to 45 degrees. In addition, you can open the railing details and specify the attributes about the railing style. The software includes a framing option for decks that will automatically frame the deck and build the foundation supports for you. With the deck completed, I'll generate our cost estimate from the materials list. The software retains all the information about the plan, such as deck framing and plants, in a 3D model so you can automatically generate a materials list for your project. This tool makes it easy to make changes and estimate your project costs. The program automatically produces a detailed list of materials by category. You can see the description and the quantity of the materials in this spreadsheet format. The software will produce a materials list with the total lineal feet and also cut and buy lists for your deck or framing projects. You can use this information for your budgeting, lumber shopping list, or your construction cut list.